Do you know, according to a new study, majority of men are doing it wrong? Yes, doing it wrong. According to a latest, yet alarming study, at the age of 40 or above, there are 40% of men who face difficulties in their intimate performance activity, be it due to the low testosterone levels, erectile dysfunctions, or the diminishing libido. And this is not the end of the study findings, there is even something more alarming. Well, majority of those men suffering in this aspect are taking the wrong approach towards solving this critical problem, pushing them even further down the spiral in vital health. And sadly, this not only just ruins their relationships, but also causes them to go through a lot of stress and depression. Well, it all seems really dark and grim. But there is no need to worry any further. We are here with a solution for you guys. And that too, a really effective one, free from any kind of side effects. In this video, we are going to tell you about some really magical, yet natural drinks. Yes, 5 natural drinks and juices that cure the male performance issue for good. These are drinks that boost up the testosterone levels with all your vigor, vitality, and passion. Plus, they aid greatly in weight loss as well, helping you to perform supremely, like a king in the bed. And, towards the end of the video, we'll be telling you something really critical about it all. So, leave at your own risk. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So friends, facing intimate performance challenges can weigh heavily on one's mental state. Doubts and insecurities often cloud the mind. However, as nature offers solutions to every problem, some natural drinks, infused with potent herbs and nutrients, have shown great results in this regard. These potent elixirs, brimming with nutrients, can subtly enhance your libido, promoting a harmonious balance in your bodily functions and performance. And let's have a look at the top 5 of these magic potions. Number 1. Watermelon juice. Did you know watermelon juice is an extremely effective drink? It can make you perform like a horse in full swing. This vibrant beverage is rich in a compound called citrulline, which the body converts into arginine. Yes, arginine, an amino acid that promotes the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that enhances blood flow throughout the body, making all your organs wake up hard, with full passion, desire, and energy. Furthermore, watermelon juice is also a fantastic tool for weight loss. We'll tell you in a bit how to best use this drink for your maximum benefit. Next, number 2, pomegranate juice. Talking about the pomegranate juice, with its sweet yet tart flavor. It is another drink that has been traditionally linked to enhancing hormone balance, and results in invigorating our intimacy desires. In recent credible scientific studies, pomegranate juice has been associated with elevated testosterone levels in both men and women. Additionally, its powerful antioxidants support cardiovascular health, which highly aids in overall blood circulation to the vital organs, making it yet another natural solution to all the performance and desire-related issues. Do try this drink and feel the change in your performance. And, by the way, if you are still watching the video, the remaining portion is even more important for you to watch. Moving on, we have the red grapes juice. Well, a glass of red grape juice is more than just a tasty treat. It's a drink with a high testosterone boosting effect. Red grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which is a type of natural phenol that may significantly raise testosterone levels. Moreover, resveratrol vastly supports heart health, thus helping you become the man you desire to be. So, do try this magical drink if you have not done so far. Next on the list, we have the beloved black coffee. Among the numerous beverages consumed worldwide every day, coffee stands out by far for its unique energizing properties. The caffeine in black coffee can vastly boost testosterone levels. It works by blocking the inhibitory effects of adenosine on dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter associated with intimacy desires. Besides, the stimulating effect of coffee increases alertness and decreases mental fatigue. Coffee is full of vital nutrients, such as vitamins B2, B3, and B5, and manganese, thus also supporting our innate desires. How many cups of black coffee can you have in a day? Do tell in the comments. At number 5, we have the amazing ginger tea. The warm, spicy undertones of ginger tea make it a favorite among many. But beyond its appealing flavor, ginger can significantly bolster testosterone levels. It is believed to achieve this by stimulating luteinizing hormone production, which in turn stimulates testosterone production in the body. From a nutritional perspective, ginger is a powerhouse of nutrients, like vitamin C and magnesium. It's also rich in antioxidants such as gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger tea also aids in digestion, to calm nausea, and help in maintaining a healthy immune system. And not to forget, it helps to lose weight as well. And, now, the most critical thing about these drinks. Well, remember that they all are part of a bigger picture. None of these drinks work in isolation. A balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise, with an adequate sleep, and a healthy lifestyle are fundamental for optimum health and performance. Remember to enjoy these beverages as part of a balanced, health-conscious lifestyle. And be the desired man you deserve to be. So friends, if you want to be getting more of such vital knowledge and fitness tips, hit that subscribe button on the screen now. Do not forget to share this video with your friends too. We'll be back very soon with our next amazing health and fitness video. See you.